Hey kids, welcome back. Today we are going to meet some amazing birds. Birds come in many colors, size and sounds. Let's flap our wings and fly into their world. I am a sparrow, a tiny bird who loves to chirp around your home and garden. I am a parrot, green and talkative. I can even copy your words. I am a peacock, the national bird of India. I dance with my colorful feathers in the rain. I am a crow, black and clever, always saying cow cow loudly. I am a pigeon. You see me in cities, flying in groups and cooing gently. I am a duck. I swim in ponds and go quack quack all day. I am an eagle. Strong and sharp, I fly high in the sky and watch everything below. I am an owl. I stay awake at night and hoot from my tree hollow. I am a hen. I cluck and lay eggs and I live in a coop. I am a kingfisher. Colorful and quick, I dive into water to catch fish. I am a flamingo. Tall and pink, I stand on one leg in the water. I am a swan. Graceful and white, gliding smoothly on water. I am a vulture. I clean the earth by eating what's left behind. I am a woodpecker. I peck on trees, making tap tap sounds. I am a hummingbird. Small but fast, I flap my wings like a blur. I am a turkey. I gobble and spread my big feathers. Wow kids, we met amazing birds today, from tiny sparrows to big eagles. Every bird is special and adds beauty to our world. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learn from Sounds for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.